Alert! Planet Earth ocean is breaking massive methane farts. Veggie farts from cows and hamsters, totally odorless. But meat-eating tigers, biological weapons, pure stink. Wait, why do banana farts smell like perfume? Godzilla roars. Skunk tiger, you're fired. You ate my egg. Detective Conan arrives. Taste my ultimate methane fart kick. Boom, turning explosive farts into useful solid products. Methane turns to real diamonds, H2S into erasers or car tires, and ethene into plastic bottles and food wrap. Frozen banana farts, baby. Einstein says, eat banana to upgrade brain juice. I am not bullshitting methane or polluting with hydrogen sulfide. Gross. Rotten egg hydrogen sulfide just blacked out this copper penny.